Good morning, students. I am going to continue exercise 11.4, in which question number 5, find the height of the cylinder whose volume is 1.54 meter cube and diameter of the base is 140 centimeter. In this question, you find out the height of the cylinder by using the formula pi r square h, volume of the cylinder, and you put the value of volume and radius of the cylinder, you get the height of the cylinder. Just you write down question number 5. Exercise 11.4. Question number 5. Volume of the cylinder. Volume is equal to 1.54 meter cube and diameter of the cylinder, diameter is equal to 140 centimeter. Then you find out radius of the cylinder. Radius is equal to diameter by 2 means 140 upon 2, you get 70 centimeter. When you convert this into meter, you get 70 upon 100, that is equal to 0.7 meter. Then volume of cylinder, volume of cylinder is equal to pi r square h. Volume is 1.54 meter cube. Pi is 22 by 7 into r, 0.7 square into h. You get 1.54 is equal to 22 by 7 into 0.7 into 0.7 into h. 7 is cancelled by here. 0.1, you write down 0.7 also. 0.1, you get 22 into 0.1 into 0.7 into h is equal to 1.54. Then h is equal to 1.54 upon 22 into 0.1 into 0.7. Here is after point 2 digit and here is also 1 and 1 2 digit, therefore you can write it 154 upon 22 into 7 and 22 7 ja 154, 7 is cancelled by this and this means height is equal to 1 meter. It is your answer. Question number 6. A milk tank is in the form of cylinder whose radius is 1.5 meter and length is 7 meter. Find the quantity of milk in liters that can be stored in the tank. In this question you find out the volume of the cylinder by using the formula pi r square h, where r is equal to 1.5 meter and h is equal to 7 meter. When you find out the volume of the cylinder in meter cube, just you convert that volume into liter by using 1 meter cube is equal to 1 kiloliter and 1 kiloliter is equal to 1000 liter. Okay, just you write down radius is equal to radius is equal to 1.5 meter, and height means length of the cylinder. Height is equal to 7 meter. You find out the volume of the cylinder. Volume of a cylinder is equal to pi r square h. Then 22 by 7 into r, 1.5 square into h, 7. 7 is cancelled here. You get 22 into 1.5 into 1.5, that is 2.25. When you multiply 1.5 into 1.5, you get 2.25. You multiply 2.25 by 22. 2 5 the 10, 2 to the 4 and 1 5, 2 to the 4, 2 5 the 10, 1 2 to the 4 and 1 5, 2 to the 4, you get 0, 0 5, 4 5, 9 and 4. And you put decimal after 2 digits, you get this 49.50. 49.50 meter cube. When you want to convert this into liter, you write down 49.50 kiloliter. Then you multiply 49.50 by 1000, because 1 kiloliter is equal to 1000 liter. You get 4950 liter. Okay. Decimal is shifted from this 3 digit. Here is 2 digit, 1 0 is placed here. Then that's value is 49,500 liter. It is your answer. In question number 7, if each edge of cube is doubled, how many times will its surface area increase and how many times will its volume increase? It is your question. First of all, you write when edge is A, then total surface area is equal to 6A square. Okay? You write down when edge of a cube is A, then surface area means total surface area. Surface area of a cube is equal to 6A square. When edge is doubled, then edge is equal to 2A. Then surface area of a cube is equal to 6 into 2A whole square. You get 6 into 4A square means 24A square. Then you find out how many times this surface area increased by this. Then you write down number of times increased is equal to 24A square upon 6A square. A square is cancelled by this and 6 for the 24. This means 4 times. This is your first part. And second part is when age is A, then volume is equal to AQ. When age is 2A, then volume is equal to 2A cube, means 2A into 2A into 2A, that is 8A cube. Then number of times increase is equal to 8A cube upon A cube. A cube is cancelled here. You write 8 times. This is your second answer. Okay. Question number 8 is water is pouring into a cuboidal reservoir at the rate of 60 liters per minute. If the volume of reservoir is 108 meter cube, find the number of hours it will take to fill the reservoir. In this question, rate of the water pouring into cuboidal reservoir is given 60 liters per minute and volume of the reservoir is given 108 meter cube. You convert volume of the water into liter by multiplying 1000, because 1 meter cube is equal to 1 kiloliter and that's 1 kiloliter is equal to 1000 liter. Then you divide this volume by 60 liters. Then you get number of time taken to fill the reservoir in minutes, and then you convert minutes in hour by dividing 60. Okay, just you write down rate of the flow of water. Rate of flow of water is equal to 60 liters per minute, and volume of reservoir is equal to 108 meter cube. You convert this into liter. You write down 108 kiloliter. 1 meter cube is equal to 1 kiloliter. Then you write 108 into 1000. You get 108,000 liter. And time taken to fill the reservoir is equal to volume upon rate, that is 108,000 upon 60. 0 is cancelled by 0 and 6 1 ja 4 6 8 ja 48 and double 0 is here, means 1800 minute. When you convert this into hour, 1800 divided by 60, you get it here hour. 0 is cancelled by 0 and 6 3 are 18 and 0 is here. Then that's answer is 30 hours.